guys! Get ready with me for a tour today at Siargao Island! We're here at My Love Siargao and katatapos ko lang pong maligo. It's already 7:30 AM. Then the first thing I do para maprotektan ako sa buong araw, I take Rick Skin Pancubigin 1 capsule in the morning. Then don't mind yun na lang yung water bottle ko ha. Then I use Rick Skin Sunshield, not your ordinary sunscreen to. O diba, nakalimutan ko pantanggalin yung takip. This sunshield has SPF 50 broad serum na talagang pinagkakatiwalaan ko all over my body. Hindi naman halata, diba? So, konting chika na lang din ha. It's our day 2 in Siargao. Then, we have a DIY tour at Sohoton Island. Kaya naman need ng skin ko ang all-day protection na perfect namang nabibigay ng Rick Skin Sunshield. At exactly 8 AM, need na naming umalis dito sa hotel para mag-travel papuntang Dapaport. Then, sa Dapaport, 2 hours travel papuntang Bukas Grande Island. Pero yon, bago ang lahat, kailangan ko din syempre gumamit ng Rix UA Rescue Meat for all-day protection, all-day freshness na walang lagkit. And for my face naman, I use Beauty Blend by Happy You, Happy You. Me, ilalaban ko to sa lahat ng tint. Smooth and super blendable nito, me, na pwede mong gamitin for your cheek and lip. So, ayun nga, uulitin ko lang, ilalaban ko to ng pangmatagalan. Kahit mag-swim ka pa. Then going back to getting ready, this is the final look of my face and body. It's a vibe of island girl with necklace pa. So, yon, bye-bye!